Got a bunch of random clips sitting on your phone, but no idea how to turn them into something people actually want to watch? You're not alone. Most people record content every day, but it just sits there. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn raw footage into polished content using VEED fast and simple. The biggest problem isn't recording, it's editing. Cutting clips, adding captions, fixing audio. It quickly feels overwhelming. So instead of posting, most people never even start. That's where VEED comes in. VEED is a simple browser-based video editor that helps you go from messy clips to clean, ready-to-post content in minutes. No downloads, no complicated tools. Everything works right in your browser. Let's break it down. First, upload your raw clips. Just drag and drop your files into VEED. Whether it's phone footage, screen recordings, or camera clips, it all loads quickly and is ready to edit. Next, trim your clips. Cut out mistakes, awkward pauses, or anything that doesn't add value. Keep only what matters. Then arrange your clips in order. Think of it like telling a story, clear, simple, and easy to follow. Now, let's make your content more engaging. Add captions. VEED can automatically generate subtitles with one click. This is huge because most people watch videos without sound. Captions help grab attention and keep viewers watching longer. If you want to try this yourself, click the link below in the description and start editing your first video with VEED. Now let's take it a step further. Enhance your video. Add background music to set the mood. Use text to highlight key points. Add simple effects to keep things interesting. You don't need anything complex. Just a few small touches can make a big difference. Also, make sure your audio is clear. Adjust volume levels so your voice stands out and nothing feels too loud or too quiet. Clean audio alone can make your video feel much more professional. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Export your video. Just click Export and your video is ready to go. From there, you can post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere your audience is. And that's it. From random clips on your phone to content people actually want to watch. No stress, no complicated editing, just a simple process that works. If you've been putting off editing your videos, this is your sign to start. Click the link below in the description and start using VEED today. Turn your raw clips into real content. And finally, start posting consistently.